So, as we're getting ready for Hurricane Hillary to come to California, I'm charging up all of my power stations. And here we have the original 250 watt Rockpals. Next up is the 500 watt. And we have the new Rockpals 600. I might do a review later. And then we have the Ecoflow Mini. This one is 882 watt hour. And of course we have the Delta Pro. It's a 3600 watt hour monster that will pretty much power the entire emergency loads that I'll have. The Mini can handle like a fridge if needed. All of these 600s and below are gonna be just for charging phones, powering like internet, routers and things like that, and just to be a little bit more portable. So that's an overview. Getting ready for Hillary. Bring it on.